Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. Wherever you're watching from, I'm so proud that you are watching. I'm so happy that you're yearning to learn Luganda. On this channel, we always look at Luganda words. We learn Luganda, everything about Luganda. You can even put your question down and we can come and answer your question. My name is Peter. Please, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button down there and please click all notifications so that you can get a message or notification whenever I upload a new video. So when you are traveling, you may need something to tell a driver. You may need those words to use when you're traveling in a new place, how to communicate to that person who is trying to move you around. Let's say a taxi driver, a border driver, anyone who's using any machine to take you around the town, around the place we are trying to travel, or you are a visitor to a place, you are a tourist, but you would like to communicate with that person in Luganda. I thought this may help you, or this will help you out how to communicate with that person. For example, you may be seated in a vehicle. Let's say it's a taxi traveling. Let's say you're coming from the main city going to a given village, and you'd like to say, let's say the taxi is proceeding, but you'd like to get out of the taxi. So you would like to tell the taxi driver that you're getting out, or that you've reached the place where you're going out from. Excuse me. So you tell that person, or you tell a driver, sebo. In English, it is there, sir. There, sir. In Luganda, you say awo sebo. Awo sebo. Or you can say muma sao. Muma sao. Let's say you're here, but you have like 1 meter or 5 meters for you to get out of the car. So you say muma sao, whereby the driver reduces the speed so that you can get out of the vehicle. You say mumaso ao. In English, it is in front there or ahead there. Okay. You may find yourself you're going to get out from or at the stage. You can say kustage. Kustage. In English, it is at the stage. At the stage. Some drivers, they want to take high speed, So if for your theft and your life, you may communicate with that driver to reduce the speed. To reduce the speed, you may tell that driver that genda mpola mpola. Let's say you are riding a bike, you are riding any machine. You may tell that driver or someone who's riding you to go slowly. You say genda mpola mpola. In Luganda, genda mpola mpola, meaning go slowly, reduce the speed. Okay? Or you can say vuga mpola mpola. Drive slowly. Vuga mpola mpola. Drive slowly. Try to reduce the speed. Or reduce the speed. Kendeza endima. Reduce the speed. Kendeza. Or you reduce on the speed. Kendeza endima. Reduce on the speed. Kendeza endima. You may find that the person is trying to, to overdrive and you're not feeling comfortable. So you have to tell that person to reduce the speed. You can say kendeza kundima. You may find a person at a given place and you would like to know when the bus is reaching. You may say, at what time does the bus arrive? What time does the bus arrive? Bus etuuka sawa meka. Like you're waiting for a bus or a vehicle to go to another place. So you say bus etuuka sawa meka. That is for a bus. But if you want to add any type of a vehicle, taxi, anything, you say emotoka etuuka sawa meka. A motoka, it is the general word of a vehicle. A motoka. It may be a premium, Land Cruiser, what VX, any vehicle. In Luganda, we call it a motor car. Thank you for watching. My name is Kabugo Peter. Whatever you watch, please watch the whole video and please click on the subscribe button so that we can keep on moving wherever I upload. I'm humbled. Always and every day we get more subscribers and the number is rising. I'm so happy about that. So that shows that people here in Luganda. You can put your question down in a comment below so that we can answer your question. We can come back and answer your question. Some people I answer them in comments. Others I'll be coming back and make a video for you and I upload it here. Thank you for watching. My name is Kabugo Peter. Please subscribe. Ciao, ciao.